Welcome to another IT training video. This week we have some general tips for working in the Mac operating system. These will especially help if you're used to working with Windows computers, but there will be a few new things for Mac veterans as well. Like Windows, the Mac OS recognizes two different mouse buttons, right and left. The left button handles your normal clicks and double clicks, but the right button will open a context menu, which will be different depending on where you click. For example, right-clicking in a browser window normally gives you a context menu that starts with back, forward, reload, etc. But if you right-click on a link, the menu begins Open Link in New Window and Open Link in New Tab. The menus change with the context, hence the name. If you don't use right-clicks, try using them in different applications, even different places within an application, to start seeing what's available. You will likely find some places where the context menu is very helpful. If your mouse gives you the same results clicking with either side, then you will need to set up ability to use right-click. You can change the mouse functions by going to System Preferences under the Apple icon in the menu bar. Keyboard and Mouse is on the second line of icons. With Apple's Mighty Mouse, you can change the function of each button, and both buttons may be set to make the same action. This may be an appropriate setting for users who want to recreate the Mac experience of 20 years ago, but most users will benefit from having both left and right-click available. If you use the mouse with your left hand, you may want to reverse the button so that the primary button is under your index finger and the secondary is under your middle finger. If you have a MacBook, you can still access context menus by holding the Control, often abbreviated as CTRL, button while clicking the trackpad. Many of the functions accessed from context menus or the menu bar can be more quickly accessed through shortcut keys. Shortcut keys are combinations of keyboard buttons that perform an action. On Macs, shortcut keys are usually a standard letter pressed with the Command key, also called an Apple key, located on each side of the spacebar. Most of these shortcut keys are the same as shortcut keys in Windows, only with the Command key instead of the Control key. Let's use shortcut keys to perform a simple operation, cutting and pasting text. First, highlight the section you want. You can use the mouse, but since this is about using the keyboard, try selecting the text by holding down Shift and using the arrow keys. Now cut the selection using Command X. Don't try to tap both keys at the same moment. Just hold the Command key and press X. Now the text has been cut and it's in your clipboard. Move the cursor to the appropriate spot in the document and press Command V, the shortcut key for paste. The text appears just as if you paste it from the Edit menu. The shortcut keys for cut and paste are easy to remember if you know that the shortcut key for copy is Command C, as in copy. So the shortcut keys for cut, copy, and paste are Command X, C, and V respectively, letters that are next to each other on a QWERTY keyboard. Some shortcut keys use additional keys such as Shift, symbolized as an open arrow pointing up, or the Option key, symbolized with a slash and a dot. For example, the shortcut key for save is Command S, but you can perform Save As with Command Shift S. Other shortcut keys include Command P for print and Command Q for quit. There's a list of common shortcut keys in the document posted with this training video so that you can print and keep it handy. Also pay attention to the menu bar, as most shortcut keys are listed right next to the action. One particularly useful shortcut key is Command-Shift-3. This takes a picture of the entire screen and saves it onto your desktop. If you have a problem with your computer, take screenshots of any error messages that come up and include them with your help desk ticket. This can be very helpful in tracking down the cause of the problem. You can switch between open applications by using Command-Tab, much like using Alt-Tab on a Windows computer. Hold down the Command key, then press Tab to open the application switcher. Continue holding the Command key and press Tab repeatedly to move through the applications. When you reach the application you want, release the Command key and that application will become active. To reduce clutter on your desktop, try hiding applications when you're not using them. Hide is an option under the application name in the menu bar, or you can use the shortcut key Command H. A hidden application will disappear, but can be brought back by clicking its icon in the dock or by using the application switcher. The dock has links to many useful programs, but you may want to add others or replace one you accidentally removed. To do this, use the Finder to find the application. Most can be found in the Applications folder. Now just drag the icon down to the dock. If you want to remove items from the dock, just drag the icon up into an empty part of your desktop. When you let go, the icon will disappear into a puff of smoke. This does not delete the application, just the link to it on the dock, so feel free to remove programs you use infrequently. You'll still be able to run them from the Finder. Some applications such as iChat and Mail are usually started as soon as you log in, and the Mac OS can start them automatically. To turn on this feature, right-click or click while holding the Control key on the iChat icon in your dock. In the context menu, click the option called Open at Login. You will need to repeat this for each program you want to launch automatically. You can turn it off by right-clicking the dock icon and clicking Open at Login to uncheck the option. Metadata is a special part of a file that contains information about the file itself, when it was created, who edited it, and more. As you can imagine, it may contain information that shouldn't go to people outside of the firm. There's a link to additional information on metadata in the post with this training. In most cases, you'll want to send documents to outside people as PDF files, since these can't be edited. There are a number of ways to create a PDF, but it's best to use the simplest method. From Word or Excel, go to File, Print, or use the shortcut key Command-P. In the lower left of the print window is a button marked PDF. Clicking the button opens a context menu, and the second option is Save as PDF. You will have to provide a file name and a location before you can save. You can also do this when printing from FileMaker Pro. This concludes this week's IT training video. We've posted a page of shortcut keys that you can print or save to your desktop and use for quick reference, and a link to additional training videos on Apple's website. The Apple videos are very good and cover a wide range of topics.